What's the meaning of cumulus? Cumulus. Cumulus.
Cumulus. Cumulus. The term cumulus refers to a type of cloud that has a distinctive puffy, cotton-like appearance and is often associated with fair weather. These clouds are formed when warm, humid air rises and cools, causing water vapor to condense into visible droplets. Cumulus clouds can vary in size and shape, ranging from small, isolated formations to large, towering masses. They typically signify stable atmospheric conditions, but can also develop into more turbulent storm clouds if the air becomes more unstable. Overall, cumulus clouds are a common and easily recognizable feature of the Earth's atmosphere.